Looking to bring home the warmth of an old-fashioned Christmas? Primitive Christmas decor is all about simplicity, warmth, and handmade charm. Think muted colors, worn woods, and heartfelt touches that echo a bygone era. Whether you live in a farmhouse or a city apartment, these timeless ideas will help your space feel cozy, rustic, and ready for the holidays. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a warm, primitive touch for bedrooms? Use flannel bedding, wool throws, and primitive Santa dolls on nightstands. Hang mini wreaths or stitched banners and add soft candles or lanterns for a peaceful glow. Bedrooms full of nostalgia? Like this if every corner counts. What's a great tabletop primitive look? Set a table with wooden bowls, pewter or enamelware, and plaid runners. Use greenery, candles, and hand-carved figures as a centerpiece with soft flickering light. Tables set with warmth, like this if your meals feel historic and homey. What primitive decor works for the mantel or hearth? Layer in aged wood signs, greenery, dried berries, and old stockings. Add a barn star or stitched quote banner. Let the fireplace feel lived in and softly festive. Mantel magic made simple? Like this if your hearth feels like home. What ornaments fit the primitive style? Look for or make cinnamon sticks, hand-sewn hearts, gingerbread men, or felted animals. Hang them with twine or jute string on trees, cabinets, or garlands. Ornaments with soul? Like this if your tree wears handmade joy. What kind of tree works best for this theme? Use a simple artificial or real pine tree with sparse branches. Decorate with handmade ornaments, dried oranges, tin stars, and fabric garlands. Nothing too shiny or modern. Old world tree charm? Like this if your tree tells a rustic story. What are easy primitive DIY crafts for Christmas? Make fabric trees, salt dough ornaments, cinnamon bundles, or painted wood blocks. Use tea staining for an aged look and let imperfections add to the charm. Hands-on holiday spirit? Like this if crafting is part of your decor. How do I begin decorating in primitive Christmas style? Start with a neutral color palette. Warm browns, deep reds, mustard yellow, and muted greens. Add in burlap, muslin, and stained woods for a vintage, handcrafted foundation. Getting grounded in tradition? Like this if your style starts with warmth. How can I style shelves and cabinets for the season? Tuck in greenery, vintage kitchen tools, or holiday figurines. Layer wood signs, ironstone dishes, or old books with twine bows to create a gathered, cozy feel. Vignettes that tell a story? Like this if your shelves are full of charm. How can I decorate with primitive textiles? Use handmade quilts, grain sack pillows, and ticking striped fabrics. Choose muted holiday patterns like stars, snowflakes, or trees stitched into soft flannel or burlap. Cozy with character? Tap like if fabric adds the finishing touch. How can I add scent to my primitive decor? Use dried oranges, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and pine to make potpourri. Place bundles in bowls or sachets. You can also simmer a stovetop potpourri for added aroma. Smells like Christmas past? Like this if scent makes your space warmer. Can I use primitive decor outdoors too? Definitely. Hang metal stars, rustic sleds, wooden signs, and berry garlands. Add a straw broom by the door, or a small wooden crate filled with pine cones and greens. Front porch festive? Like this if you're spreading rustic cheer outside. Can I use lights in primitive Christmas decor? Yes, opt for warm white lights or battery-operated candles. Avoid blinking lights or bold colors. Use lanterns, mason jar lights, or string lights tucked into grapevine wreaths. Letting soft light shine, like this if your glow is vintage-inspired. Primitive Christmas decor brings heart, history, and handmade joy to the holidays. It's not about flashy trends, it's about warmth, simplicity, and memories made real through every detail. So light a candle, hang a handmade ornament, and let your space glow with tradition. Feeling the cozy spirit? Like and come back for more timeless holiday inspiration.